Hey guys, Fifi here, back again with another video. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, as you can see by the title, today I'll be showing you guys how I make my matoke, green bananas, and some goat meat. And as you can see right here, I have my ingredients. So I'm going to show you what I have. In this bowl right here, we have some cabbage, raw cabbage. This right here is the tomato paste that I will use both in matoke and in this goat meat. Right here I have the bananas, the green bananas. Then here we have some tomatoes, some ripe tomatoes. Right here we have some hoho, green pepper. Right here we have some coriander leaves or dania. Right here we have some onions, and then I will only use this cinnamon. I will put this actually in the goat meat. Then right here I have some salt. Then here is where the goat meat is. I boiled it already. So guys, that's the ingredients that I will be using for today's meal. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I usually peel off the banana. So first of all, what I do is I use oil on my hands, because let me tell you, there are some, when you peel off the bananas, there are some black marks that may be left on your hands. So to avoid that, I usually apply some oil. Guys, so I'm going to fry my goat meat. So I'm going to put this in this oil right now. Yo, listen, I had to lower the heat, because let me tell you something about goat meat. When you put it in oil, by the way guys, this oil is just for frying the goat meat. I'm going to reduce it when I make the sauce. So when you put goat meat in oil, the way it just bursts, hata unaweza chomeka tu, can easily get burnt by the oil if you don't take care. So yeah, I'm waiting for it to fry vizuri till it turns brown, and then I can put in the vitungu, the onions. Onions are next. By the way, I reduced some oil. I reduced the oil. I'm going to put in these onions. So guys, right now I'm going to add this tomato paste inside. Next, I'm going to add this cinnamon spice. Before adding in water, I'm going to add in this coriander leaves, dhania in here. In the water that I'll be using to add in the goat meat, I'm going to use this. I'm going to put in just kidogo amount of. So guys, I'm done with this for now. So I'm just going to leave it on heat for at most 10 minutes because I didn't put in so much water. So right now I'm going to just cover it. Hey guys, how can I forget about my chili? Hey, Ebu, let me put some chili in here before I can cover it. There you go. Guys, here they are, and now they are ready to cook. I am adding in tomato paste, guys. And then I stir like this until it turns red, both the onions and the oil. Plus I want to make sure that the tomato paste has cooked well, to avoid things like heartburns, gas in the stomach. I'm going to add in my bananas. I'm going to stir it until the whole matoke becomes red. And then I'm going to add in some salt. Adding in some salt. Guys, this is the water. I got from boiling the goat meat. So I'm just going to pour it into the matoke. Of course, I'm going to add more water into this. I'm going to cover it and wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes under low heat. Lastly, guys, I'm going to now make the steamed cabbage. How do you make your steamed cabbage? For me, well, I just use onions and tomato paste. So I'm just going to stir like this. After I've put in the cabbage, guys, this is how it looks. I don't like my cabbage looking white, even though it's steamed, I like it to have some color. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water and then just cover it and let it steam. So guys, I'm now going to let it cook. I've added in just kidogo water, so I'm just going to let it cook under low heat, under very low heat, and then cover it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done with our cooking for today. This is looking so yummy. So this is the goat meat right there. That's our steamed cabbage. Looking yummy and just... And then of course, lastly, we have our matoke. So guys, that is all I had for you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to show you guys how it looks after I serve, because I know I am definitely going to enjoy this. Have a lovely day, and until next time, bye.